Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a computer shop business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Before we start a computer shop business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Opening a computer store may sound like a fun job if you enjoy computers. What could be better than spending your workday interacting with computers, discussing them with customers, and possibly repairing them? Even so, a computer business is still a business. If you want to keep your computer shop open, you must carefully consider your dream before making it a reality. Before you open a computer store, decide exactly what services you'll provide and what that entails. If you want to provide computer repair services, you must have repair experience. Becoming a Microsoft Surface reseller necessitates completing its reseller training course. The computer industry used to revolve around those old, massive IBM mainframes. The IT world has exploded since the invention of the personal computer. Decide what services or goods you'll offer before opening a computer store. Computer repairs? Beginner computer classes? Selling Microsoft or Apple computers? Repair services may be a good choice for your computer business if you enjoy working on computers. Fix Solutions recommends that you assess your expertise and then seek additional training if you lack sufficient experience. You can help friends and family members with their computers or work as a tech for an existing repair service. The more experience you have, the better. Even if you have experience, you may want to specialize in one area, such as network connectivity or hardware. Working with a company like Microsoft and meeting its reseller requirements is required to become a reseller. According to Microsoft, if you want to be a Surface reseller, for example, you must attend the Surface Academy. The initial round of training includes courses on Surface in the workplace, the Surface family, and customer service. To pass, you must score at least 80% on the seller assessment test at the end of the training. To keep your computer shop open, consider what potential customers want and whether you can provide it. According to Fix Solutions, if you work with business customers, you must be available during regular business hours. Residential customers may prefer that you be available at night and on weekends when they are off work. You must also decide whether you want to work from home or open a shop. Your computer business will require storage space for parts and tools, as well as a place to keep computers while you work on them. Having a physical store, even if it is small, can make you appear more professional and trustworthy. While you should have a website, computer repair cannot be conducted solely online. It's also a good idea to look around and assess the competition. Examine the services they provide, the computer equipment they resell, and their hourly repair rates. Determine whether you can outperform them through superior skill or whether you can afford to undercut their prices. As a small startup, you must deal with all of the usual startup costs, as well as equipment. If you want to provide repair services, you'll need to invest in the necessary tools, such as a basic toolkit, thermal paste, and a cable tester. Routers, mice, DVD burners, and power supplies may also be required. You must decide what your budget allows for, as well as prioritize your purchases and the quantity of each item you have on hand. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a computer shop business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.